Solution 1. Look at the condition of your charging cable. To troubleshoot and identify this kind of problem, you can use another quality cable to see if this will help to start the charge. If the new cable fixes the problem, you should make sure that you switch out the old charging cable with a new one. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. Another key to fixing a problem with the battery charging on a mobile phone is finding out if there is an issue with the charging port. Unfortunately, some users have a problem with the battery not performing right as it should when there is dirt in this section that renders the mobile phone charging system useless. Please clean this sector of the mobile device efficiently so that it can be charged up again. Solution 3. Replace or check the adapter. In some cases, parts of a mobile device can be defective. This may be the case when the charger is not functioning as it should. Typically, to address these types of concerns, it is important to utilize another adapter. When another adapter is used and it functions properly, you should replace the old adapter with a new or used one that still works. Once this adapter has been changed, the battery of the mobile should work as it should. Solution 4. Cache must be cleared. Cache is an issue that can be related to different kinds of problems, including a malfunctioning battery that will not charge. For instance, when you decide to clear the cache, you will be deleting files and data that are no longer needed. Solution 5. Try out a different power source. If you want to use a power source that is stronger than others, you should try charging your mobile phone with the use of a direct wall socket. So, if you have a phone that will not charge, no matter what you do, you should always use a wall socket to clear things up and fix the problem. Solution 6. Replace the battery in your phone. In some cases, the battery that is presently in the mobile device cannot be charged, especially if you have tried to do all of the recommended fixes provided above and more. In these situations, you may need to purchase a new battery with the same specifications to repair the problem permanently. Solution 7. Make sure that you have installed software updates. In some situations, the phone may not be charging properly because of an older operating system that is still on the device. Just install the latest software updates that have been released by the manufacturer to fix it. Solution 8. Use the factory reset functions. Another possible fix for this kind of problem is to perform a factory reset on the mobile phone. A factory reset can fix a wide range of different problems, including helping to fix a problem with recharging the phone. Solution 9. Users should install the Ampere app to fix a charging problem. Fortunately, problems with charging a battery can be dealt with by downloading apps that can help in fixing these issues of concern. For instance, if the battery will not charge, you may want to download and install the Ampere app for your needs. This app has been designed to address these concerns and can be found on the Google Play Store. Therefore, you want to make sure that you download this app from the Google Play Store and then install it on your mobile phone. Solution 10. Rebooting the phone. Rebooting the phone is another great way to fix problems with any mobile device. So, you can also try rebooting the phone to see if it is a software glitch that can be fixed by trying this fix.